For example, mag-a-add tayo ng 2 mixed fractions, 2 and 2/3 plus 4 and 1/2. So basically, ipapakita natin yung step-by-step process. And then, we will come up with the answer which is 7 and 1/6. Wherein, kung gagamit tayo ng scientific calculator, ipapress lang natin yan class. So, ang unang step natin ay, kung nakikita nyo itong shift, press natin yan. And then, itong fraction bar, press natin yan para lumabas ay mixed fraction. Okay? Kasi mixed fraction to. And then, just encode 2 and 2/3. Pindutin natin to para malipat doon. 2 and then arrow down. So, 2 and 2/3 plus 4 and 1/2. No? Okay. So, ganun din. Repeat the process. Shift. And then, itong fraction bar. 4 and then 1/2. Okay? And then, i-enter lang natin yan. So, dito, magiging sagot ay 43/6, which is improper fraction. So, pindutin ulit natin yung shift. And then, itong SD. Pindutin natin yan. So, magiging 7 and 1/6 na yung sagot natin. So, which is correct. Okay?